Botany, Kailas Women's College. Today we will see about Funaria and structure reproductions. Habit. This Funaria includes 117 species in India and all over the world. Cosmopolitan in distribution. Cosmopolitan means tropical and subtropical regionally these species are occur. Next, there are commonly known as goat moss or green moss. This fully see in velvety structures. This species occur in shady places and rocks, ground, tree trunks, etc. Next, this one is the plant body. Plant body consists of two phases. One is sporophyte, another one is gametophyte. Next, this one is adult gametophyte. Adult gametophyte consists, it is differentiated into rhizoids, axis and leaves. Rhizoids are multicellular and colorless. This rhizoids looks like fruit. This rhizoids help to observe observations and anchorage. Axis, it is 1 to 3 centimeter 3 centimeter long in height and axis covered with spirally arranged leaves. Leaves are sessile conditions are ovate in shapes. Sessile means without stalk. These leaves have midrib and both the sides wings. Next, this picture shows internal structure of the leaves. These internal structures consist of epidermis, cortex and medulla. Steel is absent because this Funaria is bryophytes plants. Next, this one is sporophyte. This sporophyte structure and its parts. The sporophytes consist of upperculum, annulus, peristome and calyptra. This one is female branches and male branches. Next, this vegetative reproduction. Vegetative reproduction consists of fragmentation, protonema, bulbils and gemma. Fragmentation is nothing but small bit of plants that keeps on land that grow on new plants. Next, protonema. Protonema means small projections occur on the roots. These projections are separated to keep on the land. This one is grow into the new plants. Bulbils. Bulbils is like a tubus-like structures. These tubers are separated to keep on lands and this will grow on new plants. Next, gemma. Gemma is a cup-like structures. This gemma are separated into in land. This will grow into the new plants. This is the vegetative reproductions. Next is sexual reproductions. Funaria plants are monoecious. Monoecious means male and female sex organs are present in same plants, but Funaria, male and female branches are seen in Funaria. Oogamous types fertilizations occur. Oogamous means male sex organs are small, female sex organs are large in size. That is known as oogamous type. Next, antheridial branch or antheridia. The main axis is called male shoot or antheridospores. The apex of the antheridospore consists of cluster of club-shaped antheridia and receptacles. This receptacle surrounded by periconial leaves. The cluster of antheridium consists of stalk and sterile covered with jacket. Inside the jacket, a mass of anthrozoids are present. Next, this structure shows the section of the antheridial branch. Next, archegonial branch. The female shoot also known as archegonial branch or archegoniospores. This archegonial branch affects or consists of cluster of archegonia and receptacles. These receptacles are surrounded by pericaceal leaves. This archegonium also have a stalk and even neck canal cells and venter canal cells. The venter canal cells encloses the egg. Next, this structure shows the section of the archegonial receptacle branches. Next, dehiscence of sex organs. This dehiscence takes place in wet conditions. First mature the mature the antheridium. This antheridium are present inside the jacket of the antheridium. Anthrozoids are in wet conditions rupture. Anthrozoids are swell on the water, absorb the water, then come out the outside. Next. Fertilizations also need wet conditions. In rainy seasons, the anthrozoids are ruptured from out the outside. The archegonials are maturing stage. The passage are occur in the neck canal cells. This passage contains mucilage substance. This mucilage substance are attracts towards the anthrozoids. These anthrozoids are in rainy season swim towards to reach the egg. Again, fertilizations occur. 2N is formed. This condition is known as zygote conditions. This zygote is formed the sporophyte. Next. Structure of sporophyte. Structure of sporophytes consists of the foot, seta and capsules. Foot is embedded on the female branches. Seta is a tuber-like structure, stalk-like structures. Next, capsule contains spore mother cells. The capsule has three parts. One is apophysis and theca and operculum. The theca contains fertile regions. The theca are spore sacs present. The spore sacs are surrounded by the calyptra are present. Inside the spore sacs, spore mother cells are present. In mature conditions, in between the annulus and theca, this annulus are rupture, come out the spores, and in suitable conditions, the spores are developed into the new gametophytes plants. Next, this structure is the sporophyte structures, and its parts are given. Next, life cycle of Funaria. First is the antheridium and archegonium are present in the separate branches, and in suitable conditions antheridium insides anthrozoids are come out to reach the archegonium, fuse to form zygote. This zygote is developed into the embryo. This embryo is formed sporophyte conditions. In mature condition, the sporophytes ruptures to come out the spores. These spores are developed into the new plants. That is known as life cycle of Funaria. Today we will see about Funaria structures, habit and reproductions. Reproductions such as vegetative reproductions and sexual reproductions. Thank you.